All right, we're gonna take a quick peek and try to do some service on the SONY PST1. The one issue currently is the pitch potentiometer is extremely touchy. A different screwdriver. This should do it. No user serviceable parts. So there's our pitch control pot inside there. All right, so we're gonna spray some deoxit on this potentiometer right there. Okay, so using my other hand, I'm gonna be turning the pot left and right. So give it a nice little 20 turns. Okay, and then one more spray. Make sure you get it at the opening. Okay. I'm satisfied. All right, then put it back together. We're just gonna throw on some good stuff here. Oh, I have so much better control now. Oh my gosh. So yeah, you can see the center dots are stable, and that's set to 33 RPM. Offset. Great. 33. Amazing. Okay, going for it.